Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an AutoDS Shopify Dropshipping tutorial so you can see how this tool can simplify your entire dropshipping process from product research to order fulfillment. AutoDS is one of the most powerful automation platforms built specifically for dropshippers, and when combined with Shopify, it can save you a lot of time while helping you scale your store. Let's break it down step by step. First, once you have your Shopify store set up, you'll need to create an AutoDS account. Head over to AutoDS, sign up, and from your dashboard, connect your Shopify store by authorizing the integration. This connection is what allows AutoDS to sync products, prices, and orders directly into your Shopify account without you having to manually update everything. Next, let's talk about product research. AutoDS has a built-in product finder where you can browse trending items across suppliers like AliExpress, Amazon, Walmart, and more. You can filter by profit margin, ship-in time, or even niche categories. When you find a product you like, simply click Import, and AutoDS will pull in the title, description, images, and variants directly into your Shopify store. This eliminates hours of manual editing. Once products are in your store, AutoDS takes care of price and stock monitoring. That means if your supplier changes a price or runs out of stock, AutoDS will automatically update your Shopify listing so you never oversell or lose money on sudden supplier changes. Now, order fulfillment is where AutoDS really shines. When a customer buys from your store, instead of you manually going to the supplier and placing the order, AutoDS can fulfill it automatically using your account details. It inputs the customer shipping information, tracks the order, and even updates your customer with tracking numbers. That way, you're hands-off while orders are still processed on time. AutoDS also provides analytics inside your dashboard. You can see your best-selling items, your profit margins, and track which suppliers are performing the best. This helps you make better decisions about which products to scale and which ones to drop. Finally, AutoDS has additional features like bulk product importing, AI product optimization, and even customer support automation. All these tools are designed to help you focus less on repetitive tasks and more on scaling your business and marketing your store. So to recap, connect your Shopify store, use the product finder to import items, let AutoDS handle inventory and pricing updates, activate auto-order fulfillment, and monitor your performance with the analytics tools. Once you get the hang of it, you'll realize how much time automation saves you and how much easier dropshipping becomes. And that's the AutoDS Shopify Dropshipping tutorial, an all-in-one solution for product research, store management, and fulfillment so you can grow your business efficiently. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.